Hi, my name is Evan Hoshield, and I'm a family attorney with the law office of Brian Fagan. Going through a divorce can be quite complex, which is why we have created a do-it-yourself divorce package. Our 3 different do-it-yourself divorce packages include, but are not limited to, an all-inclusive divorce guide, 8 video eCourse lessons, legal advice from an attorney, a form builder to generate all the required forms you need to file your divorce, and many more benefits. Please let us know how we can help you navigate through the rough waters of divorce. For more information about all our do-it-yourself services here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, please visit brianfagan.com/DIY divorce. And stay in touch for our upcoming do-it-yourself custody, child support, and CPS case e-courses, packages, and resources by visiting brianfagan.com or calling our office today at 281-810-9760.